Now that you've figured out which program to pursue, here's what you need to know about the next steps and the application process.
If you'd like specific information about the country you're interested in, you can come to our office at Matthews Quad and speak to a study abroad advisor. We're also happy to connect you with returnees who've studied abroad in the location you're interested in.
The next step would be to apply to the study abroad program. Depending on which program you choose, there are different application processes. If you would like to apply to UCEAP, or University of California Education Program, there are two main steps to the application process: filling out a MyEAP application and a Tritons Abroad application. You can find the 10 steps to apply on our Study Abroad website under the Find a Program UCEAP tab. For OAP, or Opportunities Abroad Program, you would fill out the application for the specific program you are going on, as well as a Tritons Abroad application. Global seminars only require a Tritons Abroad application. All of these instructions are listed on each application site. But of course, if you have any questions throughout the application process, our peer advisors and professional staff advisors can assist you in any way.
At this stage in the process, you're probably thinking about financial aid and scholarships. On our website, we have wonderful resources to help you learn more about financial aid, scholarships, grants, and crowdfunding. We also have a link to a module called Backpacking Through the Basics of Study Abroad and Financial Aid that will help you learn more. You can find that at moodle.ucsd.edu. We also have an advisor in our office who can help with all your financial aid related questions to study abroad.
Be sure to stop by our office in Matthews Quad or go to our website studyabroad.ucsd.edu for further information.
Check out our next video, A Guide to Preparing for Your Study Abroad Experience, to get some tips on how to prepare before you leave for your program.